Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a fade and a lineup on your beard using Babyliss clipper and trimmer, and obviously a straight razor. I'm going to take my first guideline using the trimmer. I use a fine comb, that way I can take all the little hairs on the bottom. Taking my first guideline on the end, and then I try and connect it with the front. I'm gonna take my clipper and go all the way open. Take my first guideline about ½ an inch, then I'll try and fade it and take another guideline with the number 1. I'll close it all the way and I'll open up halfway instead. And I'll flick on this line over here. Now all the way closed, and just keep flicking on that line. Now I grab my Turkish style straight razor. Take the Babyliss shaver and just bald out completely the sides. So that's it, all done. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of beard oil. All right, here's the final look. I try to leave as dark as possible the lineup on the top and the sides. So you want to combine both a good sharp lineup and a sharp fade. That's the way I do it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below for any new beard styles you want to see. I'm out.